You wake up before your alarm, not because you're rested, because your body already knows what's coming. Another day, another commute, another paycheck that disappears before you even touch it. You make more money than your parents ever did, but somehow you feel poorer than ever. And in the next few minutes, you're going to find out why. This isn't bad luck. It isn't inflation. It isn't you being irresponsible. This is a system, and it has a name. It's called the salary trap. It's the machine that keeps millions of smart, hard-working people busy, but never wealthy. Here's how it works. You get paid. Before you even see the money, it's already gone. Rent, food, car, insurance, phone, subscriptions, debt. By the time your paycheck hits your account, it's already been claimed by someone else. You don't experience poverty. You experience comfort with no margin. That's the trap. Meet Alex. Alex earns more than most people in their city. On paper, Alex should be doing great. But every month, Alex ends with a few dollars left. No real savings. No real investments. No real freedom. Not because Alex is bad with money, but because Alex is trapped in a system designed to absorb every dollar. Here's the part nobody explains. When your income goes up, your lifestyle rises to meet it. You don't get richer, you get more expensive. A better apartment, a nicer car, more subscriptions, more obligations. Economists call it lifestyle inflation. I call it financial gravity. The more you earn, the harder it becomes to escape. Ask yourself something. If you quit your job tomorrow, how long could you survive? 1 month? 2? 3? Most people are one missed paycheck away from panic. That's not security. That's a well-furnished cage. This is the moment it clicks. Your salary isn't making you rich. It's keeping you just comfortable enough to never become rich. Once you see it, you can't unsee it. The way out isn't earning more. It's creating a gap between what you earn and what you spend. That gap becomes savings. Savings become assets. Assets become freedom. The trap breaks when your money starts working for you instead of disappearing. Here's the escape plan. First, stop upgrading your lifestyle when your income increases. That's how the trap tightens. Second, protect the gap between what you earn and what you spend. That gap is your weapon. Third, use that gap to buy assets, not liabilities. Things that pay you back. You don't need to quit your job. You need to stop letting it own you. Most people think saving money is the solution. That's the next lie. Because in the next video, I'm going to show you why saving by itself actually keeps you stuck. Watch next, why saving money keeps you poor. If this made you question something, leave a comment and subscribe, because we're peeling this system apart one layer at a time.